What's blowing up on GitHub this week? Welcome to GithubTrends, 5 open source projects you need to see right now. What if Tableau was free and connected to everything? Apache Superset is a modern, open source business intelligence platform with over 70,000 GitHub stars. It connects to 50 plus databases, including BigQuery, Snowflake, and Databricks. Build stunning dashboards with the no-code chart builder, or write complex queries in the powerful SQL Lab editor. It's enterprise-ready with role-based security and caching without any licensing fees. Star the repo at github.com Apache Superset. Want to turn your writing into a real business? Ghost is the most popular headless Node.js CMS for professional publishing. With over 52,000 stars and 100 million downloads, it powers everything from newsletters to membership sites. Built-in subscriptions let you monetize directly, while native SEO tools and a beautiful editor keep you focused on creating. Self-host for free or use their managed platform. Star the repo at github.com TryGhost Ghost. What if you could get a free domain name in minutes? FreeDomain lets you register your own domain with extensions like .uskg and .dpdns, or G, completely free. Over 400,000 people already claimed theirs. You can host with Cloudflare or any DNS provider you want. No hidden fees, no strings attached, just your own corner of the internet. Star the repo at github.com DigitalPlatDev free domain. Tired of juggling a dozen expensive data subscriptions just to analyze stocks? OpenBB solves this. It's an open source platform that connects you to dozens of financial data sources through a single Python API. Stocks, crypto, options, economics, all in one place. Just pip install, call one function, and get instant access to market data from Yahoo Finance, Fred, SEC filings, and more. No more API keys scattered everywhere or vendor lock-in. Star the repo at github.com OpenBB-finance, OpenBB. What if you could automate anything without writing code, but still write code when you need to? N8N is a workflow automation platform with 178,000 stars and 400 plus integrations. Connect your apps visually, then drop in custom JavaScript or Python wherever you need more control. It runs on your servers, not someone else's cloud. Built-in AI agents let you create smart workflows that actually think. Slack to databases, webhooks to spreadsheets, everything connects. Star the repo at github.com Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and catch you next time.